guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia for those who are tuning in, and welcome back to everybody else. So today's video was nothing in particular, to be honest. I was just cleaning out my makeup room and I totally forgot that I purchased this palette. I know I have so many Laura Pro palettes. This is just a brand that I've always loved and like using, and I still continue to buy because I really do love the quality of their makeup. So this is actually a very new type of palette. As you can see, these are super bright colors. Not really things that I normally gravitate to, but I thought it was just so pretty and I'm never disappointed with this company. So I thought to myself, let's go ahead and give this a try, and I came out with this look. This video is more for Pride Month, so I really wanted to film something colorful, bold, and loud. Just showcase all the colors. Although this doesn't have the traditional green in there, I mean, it's kind of greenish blue with some purple. You can make out that there are the shades of the rainbow, but if I needed to, I actually have greens to add to it, but I thought this was just perfect. So my light just died. It happens. This is real life. Let's just go ahead and jump into the video, guys. Okay, so I got this new palette. This is by Lorac Pro. I know I talk about them so much. I mean, I really do love them. Again, not sponsored. This is just one of the brands of shadows that I really gravitate to and I like to repurchase a lot. So this is a brand new kit I got. This is their neon, what is it called? Neon lights. And I thought it would be perfect for a beautiful Pride look or a party festival kind of palette. I don't have anything with these primary colors. Too bad it doesn't have like a green in here, but I do have greens in mattes and satin finishes in other brands, so this is still gonna work, but I think this is such a beautiful palette to create a look with. All right, get these ears out. I'm gonna start off with this guy here. I'm just gonna hydrate the skin a little bit. This is the Josie Maran moisturizer or something, what is it called? It's an intensive hydrating treatment. So in addition to your moisturizer, you can use this or use this alone. Wow, love this stuff. All right, let's just get these brows done. 3, 2, 1. So I went a little bit strong on the eyebrows, which is totally fine because I feel like I really want to create a bold look today with like a really dewy complexion. So let's see if we can achieve that. So let's, oh my God, so itchy. It is like hella windy outside, guys. So let's go ahead and start off with this transitional color. This is Indie. It's like a taupey brown color. Like seriously, guys? This is some pretty pigmented stuff. I'm just gonna put this over that transition color just because we're gonna be building around this area. I don't really know what I'm going for today, to be honest. I just saw this palette from one of my recent purchases and I just really wanted to try this out. And clearly I give this a thumbs up because it's so pigmented. To be honest, I was a little bit worried because their normal shades of like, you know, basic, you know, nudes and taupes and browns is very pigmented. So my first time trying these bright colors, I was a little hesitant, but clearly it's blowing me out of the water. I kind of want to do like a really purpley blue, I don't know, I actually don't know. Just jump in with a pencil brush and I'm going to use that bright blue. I'm going to put that right there in that corner. Hopefully it doesn't turn too purple. It's very pretty. It sure didn't. This is crazy how vibrant this is. Starting to turn a little purple. Guys, this COVID thing is scaring me. I feel like we're gonna have like a second wave. In my opinion, I think things opened up a little too quick because it's still so new and so fresh that, I don't know, people are just, I understand, people are excited, they want to go out, but people are still not practicing social distancing or just hygiene. To be honest, I just think it should be standard everyone to wear a mask. Why not? It will protect me to you, to others. All right, so let's go ahead and just do a slight cut crease. I just want to brighten up the lid space a slight bit, and I should use a lighter color. Oh, I finally threw away the Kat Von D one just because there's just like no more product in there. Just think about that fox eye trend look. I just recently posted a video on that for my shape eyes. It was really fun to film, but I just felt like it wasn't really foxy looking. Maybe it's the way I had the shape in here. I don't know. I just felt like a bird. Let's go a little higher, shall we? It is so warm here, guys. I don't know what's going on. I'm like burning up. All right, finally. That cut crease became a little bit crazy. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna jump in with this color. That's a pretty color. This one is called Disco. Creamy color. Ooh, need several dipping. Probably better to apply on with my finger. There's like a little fallout, but not too much. I'm gonna go back with that same blue just on the outer corners. Although it looks purple. I am so impressed with this palette, guys. Oh my gosh. If any of you guys have this palette, oh my gosh, give this video a big thumbs up or comment down below. I'm curious to know if anyone even likes Lorac, dislikes them. I'm just sad they don't sell it in stores anymore. It's just so easy to shop in stores. I mean, back then, not now. Question of the day. Do you guys curl your lashes before or after mascara? I actually curl my lashes first just because I feel like if I curl them afterwards, and being that my lashes are so stick straight and thin, it won't give it a bend like most lashes would because it has length. But what I feel like it does, it just smushes them and just clumps them together, and it just looks crazy. Then I have to either wash my face, do my makeup again, or just throw on some lashes to cover that bad job that I did with mascara. For this colorful eye look, I think it's best to use some pretty full lashes today. These, no surprise, are by Ardell. I usually wear Ardell or Kiss lashes. Those are like my go-tos. And this one I believe is by Ardell's. I don't remember the number. I do have the box here somewhere, so I'll put that down below for you guys if you guys are interested. What I love about these lashes that it's still very wispy, but it has a fullness. So when I wear these, it doesn't really like completely close out my eyes. As you guys know, team small eyes. Big difference. So for this look, I really want to have a nice dewy complexion. So I'm going to use my favorite tinted serum moisturizer. This is by Ilia. This doesn't give a whole bunch of coverage, to be honest, because it's literally a tint. But being that it has like a serum base, it's really glowy like. So I'm just going to probably pack on a good amount, and with concealer. The concealer would definitely do its job. I just really want a glowy, illuminating look. Oh, this sponge is dying, guys. Look at this. Gonna have to retire this guy too. So glowy. I'm actually gonna go in with this NARS concealer, which I use to carve my brows with. This is one of my favorite sponges to use to really highlight under the eyes because it literally just fits right on the side of my cheek along my nose, and then when I bring it up to my eye bone, it's like perfectly placed. See, it doesn't give a lot of coverage, but it's more for under my eyes that needs a lot of coverage. So I'm just gonna jump back to the eyes. I'm gonna add a little bit more of that corally pinky color just in the crease. I feel like it's such a beautiful color. I'm gonna go back and start detailing the outer corners and making it just a little bit darker. So I'm just gonna outline that blue right there with this flat brush with that same blue. I'm gonna taper it into the center so it's a little bit softer. So it's gonna be more pronounced on the outer corner and then softly diffused inner corner. Tightline my upper waterline and my lower. Alright, we're gonna get that same shimmery blue just right here at the center. Sparkly white for the inner eye corners. This one is called Party. We're gonna jump back to the complexion. I'm gonna use another Lorac Pro palette. This was not intentional, but I'm just gonna use their cream contour just to contour and chisel out my cheeks. Clearly that's not enough. One of my favorite current highlighters, this is by Ofra. This is is it Rodeo? No. Beverly Hills. Rodeo Drive was my Rodeo Drive was my first product from Ofra's that I loved that I decided to get a shimmer brick. I'm gonna take that first transition color, which is Indie, and I'm gonna place it right under my brow bone highlight. I'm gonna take this color here, and I'm gonna use it to highlight right under here. For the lips, I'm gonna use just a lip plumper with a little bit of a nude color, just because the eyes are already colorful, that I feel like I'm just going to... I forget how to open this. I use this all the time. There we go. And then, oh, I guess I don't use this all the time. Hot! This is like strong. I normally just use lip plumpers or just hyaluronic acid, so it's just water, but these ones with like mints and like spices, it gets me. But I do like the effect. Okay, we're just gonna sit here for 5 minutes. So clearly I did not have a vision of what I wanted to do today. Seriously, I just saw this palette and I was like, I need to film a look with this because I want to challenge myself to try different colors. I always do my normal nudes and neutrals. I really want to elevate my color skills because it's just so pretty, and I want to do what everyone else does on Instagram and YouTube and just showcase their work with this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely something out of my comfort zone. Again, just picked up the palette and I just went for it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Get ready for my monthly favorites that's coming up in just a few days. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!